Hi, my name is Magdalene, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the Nikon Z5 in 6 easy steps. Number 1. Turning on the camera. You'll find the on and off switch on the top of the camera. To get started, simply switch from off to on. Number 2. Setting up the display. The default display setting is automatic display switch. This will allow you to view through the back LCD screen or switch to the viewfinder by holding the camera up to your eye. The button on the side of the viewfinder will allow you to make changes to the display settings. You can change the display to viewfinder only or monitor only. Number 3. Choosing your shooting mode. Auto lets the camera select all of the settings for you. Program will allow you to make some changes to those settings. Shutter priority allows you to select how fast of a shutter speed you're using. Aperture priority allows you to set the aperture, which sets how much light enters the lens. Manual mode allows you to control all of the settings. Number 4. Recording. Switch the camera to the video setting on the back of the camera. Press the red button located at the top of the camera. You can adjust your settings as normal. Press the red button again to stop recording. Number 5. Downloading your photos. The memory card is located on the side of the camera body. To open the memory card door, apply pressure with your finger and slide the door open. Then press down on the memory card and it will pop up. Now you can remove it. When replacing the memory card, do not force it in. The SD card will only fit in one direction. If the card doesn't want to go in, turn it around and try the other side. Number 6. Formatting the memory card. If you'd like to free up space on your memory card, you'll want to format it. Warning, do not do this if you haven't downloaded all of your files. This will permanently delete everything on your memory card. Click on the menu button. Scroll down to the wrench icon and select Format Memory Card. You will then select which memory card you would like to format. Select OK. You'll get a warning telling you that all of the images will be deleted. If you have already downloaded all of your photos, go ahead and click OK.